Welcome to the cutting edge of innovation. Join us on a thrilling journey through the dynamic world of advanced technologies that are shaping our future today. First on the list, connected home. A connected home, often referred to as a smart home or home automation, is a residence that incorporates various technology and devices to enhance the convenience, security, energy efficiency, and overall quality of life for its occupants. These technologies are interconnected and can be controlled remotely, often through a central hub or smartphone app. Connected homes offer convenience, energy savings, and improved security, and they continue to evolve with advancements in technology. However, it's important for homeowners to consider privacy and security measures to protect their data and ensure the safe operation of smart devices within their homes. Second one, lithium metal battery. A lithium metal battery, also known as a lithium metal cell, Li-metal or Li-ion, is a type of rechargeable battery that utilizes lithium as a primary component in one or both of its electrodes. These batteries are known for their high energy density, lightweight nature, and the potential to store a significant amount of energy. However, they come with some challenges and safety considerations. Due to safety concerns, there has been extensive research into improving the safety of lithium metal batteries, including the development of solid-state electrolytes and advanced battery management systems. These innovations aim to harness the high energy density of lithium metal while mitigating safety risks. Number 3. 3D printing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a revolutionary technology that allows the creation of three-dimensional objects by adding material layer by layer. It has rapidly evolved and gained popularity across various industries due to its versatility and ability to produce complex, customized, and intricate objects. 3D printing continues to advance and find applications in various fields, driving innovation and changing the way products are designed, prototyped, and manufactured. It holds significant promise for the future of manufacturing and product development. Number 4. Blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger technology that records transactions across multiple computers in a way that ensures the security, integrity, and transparency of data. It was originally designed as the underlying technology for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but has since found applications in various industries beyond finance. Blockchain has the potential to disrupt various industries by providing a secure, transparent, and efficient way to record and verify transactions. Its decentralized nature and cryptographic security make it an appealing solution for applications where trust and transparency are paramount. However, it also faces technical and regulatory challenges that must be addressed for widespread adoption. Number 5. Sound waves as a firefighting tool. Using sound waves to fight wildfires is an innovative concept that has been explored as a potential firefighting tool. While it is not a widely adopted method, the idea involves using sound technology to disrupt and mitigate the spread of wildfires. Research and development efforts are ongoing to explore the feasibility and practicality of using sound waves for firefighting. Scientists and engineers are conducting experiments to better understand the interactions between sound waves and flames and to optimize the technology for real-world applications. While sound-based firefighting is a fascinating concept, it is not yet a proven or widely adopted method for wildfire suppression. Traditional firefighting techniques, such as controlled burns, water-based methods, and fire breaks, remain the primary means of managing and mitigating wildfires. Sound-based approaches may find niche applications in the future, particularly as technology and our understanding of the physics of combustion continue to advance. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.